So our lesson today is all about pumpkins, okay? So first off, what is this obviously?
A pumpkin.
A pumpkin. It's a little pumpkin. It's actually what they, in the store it was a pumpkin pie pumpkin. So it's a little teeny tiny one, but we're going to do some different experiments with this pumpkin, and we're going to do some predictions. And first off, I want to start by, we're going to pass it around, and I want you to give me a descriptive word about it. What's descriptive word mean? What does that mean? What, Riley?
Tell me what it has.
You're describing it. Yeah. So I want you to give me a descriptive word, and once you get to the pumpkin, when you're thinking of a descriptive word, try and give me one that's different, because as you're telling me the words, I'm going to write them on here. So if you already see the word up here, try and give me a different word. Okay, and we'll see how many
Seeds.
we'll try and well, we're going to do descriptive based on holding it. All right, but we can come up with that too. So I'm going to pass it off first to Sebastian. And Sebastian, you're going to hold that and give me a descriptive word. Tell me something about that pumpkin you're holding.
Bumpy.
It's bumpy? Okay, good. Pass it on to Riley.
It's wiggly. I did pretend.
Bumpy. What do you think, Riley? Tell me something about it. Look at it, maybe. That would help. Tell me something about the pumpkin.
Give me your lead time.
What color is it?
It is orange. Does that one?
Okay, then tell me something.
It's a little heavy.
Okay.
That's cool.
What do you got, Brian?
A
A little heavy. What do you have, Brian?
little heavy.
Look at it.
It's a little hairy.
It's orange? Okay. All
Little
right.
hairy.
Shh. Pass it along.
It's a.
Give it to Alana. Okay,
Oh my
Alana.
God.
Tell me something about the pumpkin. Hold on, I'll come to you, Mackenzie. Look at it.
It's so funny.
There's something on top of it.
No, it's smooth. It's stem.
There's a stem. Okay.
Smooth and bumpy.
Has a stem. Okay, pass it along.
It's smooth. Has stem.
Yep. What do you got, Ava?
It's round.
Very good. That's an easy one.
It's not always round.
Not necessarily always, but that one is. Okay, Mackenzie.
I was about to say that.
Okay, let's come up with a different one. Look at it.
The pumpkin has no teeth and no mouth.
What
The
else?
pumpkin is not hard.
What else? I see stuff going down it.
There's lines. Lines.
There's lines.
No, it's not lines. Yes, there is.
Lines or creases.
It's called middle of
It's hard. Very good, Brianna. Okay, and lastly,
Kendall's
Kendall,
gonna
what do you
say-
have?
It's from the kiss.
What else do you have?
It's from the kiss.
Riley. Look at it.
From your mom.
Turn it over. Is there something on the bottom?
Oh. It's magical to pull off.
Okay.
She doesn't know what that is.
I don't know what that's called necessarily.
It's
either.
called bottom
On the bottom,
stem.
there's a brown circle. You want to do that? Okay.
Brown circle.
Brown circle
Bottom.
on the bottom.
I was gonna say bottom. You're right.
Read 16 Runaway Pumpkins, which is written by Diane Ochiltree. And we're going to see if there's any other descriptive words in here that we don't have on our list. So pay attention, because after we're done, I'm going to see if you can give me any. I don't know if there is or not. We'll find out, because I didn't know what you guys were going to say. So it's going to be a surprise to me, too. It's harvest time in the pumpkin patch. Sam tells Gramps, "Hooray! I'll pick you lots of pumpkins. I'll fill up my wagon today." She finds one tiny pumpkin, then a plump one, too. Sam has two. She sees two more under a vine playing peekaboo.
And lines.
Sam dumps them into the wagon. She counts the pumpkins there. 4 of them thump bump together. There's plenty of room to spare. So they're all different sizes, obviously,
Yeah, but
right?
it says bumpy.
Yep, that one. True, we have that. She plumps 4 chunky pumpkins next to the other 4. 8 pumpkins thunk clunk together. Can Sam double her pumpkin score? So we're up to 8. Sam stacks 8 lumpy pumpkins on the 8 pumpkin clump inside. 16 pumpkins slam jam together. It's one jiggly wiggly ride. Comes to the table. Forks are raised with a happy sigh. Then Sam and her kin dig in with a grin. They all feast on Sam's pumpkin pie. Okay, hold on.
That was quick.
I got a couple. All right, Mackenzie.
Tiny,
Tiny. Yep, that was in there. Yes, Brianna.
lumpy.
Lumpy. Ava.
They're bouncing.
They were bouncing when they fell out.
I have one that wasn't in the
What, Alana?
medium.
Medium. Yep, that can describe it. I'll put that down. And then I thought of chunky. Chunky.
That's what I'm just gonna
Okay, so Riley said chunky. And Alana said medium.
Chunky medium.
And
Weird.
I think that's good. It might not describe our pumpkin, but it's descriptive words.
Medium.
So let's count how many descriptive words we have up here.
Scale date.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
13. Good job, guys. Okay. Sit crisscross. All right, we're going to have 2 different activities at the tables when you go to the tables. All right, one of them is going to be following a glyph chart, which what you're going to do is you're going to have a pumpkin cutout here. We're going to do some predictions on our pumpkin that we have that is hiding back here. So the first one, we're going to predict how much the pumpkin is going to weigh. Okay, that's going to be our first prediction.
I did that.
So, okay guys, shh. So if you think the pumpkin's going to weigh less than 10 pounds, you're going to draw triangle eyes on your pumpkin. If you think it's going to weigh more than 10 pounds, you're going to draw circle eyes. Do you understand that?
Yes.
Okay. Then the next prediction is, I have a bucket of water back here.
Wait.
We're going to,
That pumpkin? Yes.
yes.
I know what it's gonna do.
Okay.
That's not
Then we're going to do, we have another prediction. We want to know if it's going to sink or float. So if you think the pumpkin it will sink, you're going to draw color green stem. If you think the pumpkin will float, you're going to draw or color a brown stem. Okay?
For
And
two
then-
guesses,
You're going to guess the first one. You're going to guess the second one.
the same thing.
What do you mean?
If you think, can you pick 2 different ones?
Well, yeah. The first one is how much will the pumpkin weigh. You're either going to pick, it's going to be less than 10 pounds or more than 10 pounds.
All right.
Then you're going to move to number 2. Is the pumpkin going to float or sink? You're going to pick one of those. It's either going to float, brown stem, or it's going to sink, you make a green stem. Then the third one, how many seeds will the pumpkin have? We're going to carve it up and open it up.
Yay! That's what I did in
And then but before that, you have to guess. If you think it's going to have less than 20 seeds, I want you to make a jagged mouth like this. If you think it's going to have more than 20 seeds, I want you to make a mouth with teeth on your pumpkins. And then we're going to bring our papers back and we're going to see who made the most accurate predictions after we do our... One group, you're going to have a chance to do both activities. I'm going to introduce the other activity. One group is going to start doing with the glyph chart and doing the picture. The next group is going to go to the table and do patterning. Okay? I have different cards here. So obviously there's a pattern. We have candy corn, pumpkin, candy corn, pumpkin. There's something missing, and then I want you to finish it.
I know.
So you have the tags here to finish it and to also complete it and also fill in the missing blank.
Can we make
So I have, and then I have, there's ones like that, and then there's blank ones where I want to see you make your own pattern.
Yeah.
Okay? And then you can also, when you're making your patterns, then you can also match it up. I have candy pumpkins and candy corns.
Could we have some?
Yes, you can eat some.
When?
So when you're doing it. So you'll match it. I want you to put a candy corn on top of a candy corn and a candy pumpkin on top of a candy pumpkin. But first I want you to fill in the missing blank and complete it. And then I want you can use these even if you want to make your own patterns. You can use the candy to make your own patterns, and then you can eat the candy before you go to the next glyph, to the glyph chart or to the carpet.
Wait, we have to glue it?
No, you don't do it. Just set it down and make your own pattern. And I want to see that you're able to make a pattern.
Did you
And then
glue
you can
it?
eat the candy. These are glued.
These
are glued down.
Good. So we just put on the paper and then eat it?
Yes.
I thought you meant we had to glue. I'm like, ew.
No, that's what you're going to do there. So we're going to go to our seat work, and one group I'm going to have start with the glyph chart. Hold on. And the next group I'm going to have start with the patterning, and then we're going to switch, okay? And then we'll come back to the carpet, and we're going to do our experiments to find out if our predictions were correct. But first, yes, Riley?
Did you get the candy corn and candy pumpkin because of the same thing as the pattern?
Yes, I did it the same.
I know.
That's pretty smart, right? Okay, we're going to stand up first, and we're going to do head, shoulders, knees, and toes, because I love that song. I'm sorry, I'm making you do it.
I just did it in the library.
You just did it in the library? Oh,
I
good.
did it in the library. Library. Yeah, we do it in the library.
Okay, stand up, Brian.
We read a book first and.
We're going to start out nice and slow, because I'm not even awake yet. Ready? Ready? And you're doing it. Ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Ready?
I did head right here and then nose right here.
Okay, we're going faster, so you're really going to mess up now. Ready? Ready? Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes.
I kept up with the last one.
Okay, we'll go the fastest we can possibly go as the last one. And I totally messed up the one we just did. Okay, ready? On your marks, get set, go. Head, eyes and ears and mouth. Second. Yes, Kendall.
We get to eat first.
You can color that whatever color you want. Remember, do you have any questions on the instructions right here? You're going to follow number 1, number 2, and number 3. If you see someone not understanding, Ava, since you've done this before, kind of,
I have.
feel free to help them out. Okay,
We don't
if you
need
have
help.
a question, ask me, all right? Make sure your name's on your paper.
We don't need help.
Okay, go ahead and get started, girls.
We don't need to.
All right, my patterning table.
I'm going to do one. Hey, where's the candy?
Not yet, hold on.
Write your name.
Okay, look,
Yeah.
the strips that I have.
Thing to do. I already fill that out.
Yes,
We have to do them.
yes.
I did it on the wrong side.
You're not gluing them. You're just putting them down.
What are you doing?
And there's different ones. So when you're done with the one you're working on, when you're done with the one you're working on, shift it to the other people's. And then when you've done filling them in, then I'm going to give you these to make your own patterns.
Okay.
With the candy corn. Right?
I'm done.
Okay, Brian, I want you, when you're done with one, you're going to do another card. Take that off and pick another card. There's 8 cards in here.
room. I don't have another room.
That's fine, Riley. Then you just finish as much as you could finish. Take the pieces off and do another card. When you're done with your card, put it in the middle.
I'm done.
Brianna, when you're done with your card, put it in the middle. 1, 2, 3, pumpkin. 1, 2, 3, pumpkin. Very good. Yes.
I can't like fit this.
No, just take them off.
Well, pumpkin.
There you go. Pick a different patterning card.
I don't know.
Girls, how are we doing over here? Okay, I got 3 circle eyes and 1 triangle eye. Okay, good. And Mackenzie's coloring her stem green, so she thinks the pumpkin's gonna
What
sing.
is that?
Ava, you gotta color your stem, so you might want to write your name somewhere else.
It's on the back too.
Okay, then color over your stem. That's fine.
How many do we have to do? No, I think there's 6.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Riley, let me see you
I'm
one.
done. I'm making it it'll float.
How does pumpkin pattern?
I know.
Very good. You did it. What's happening here?
Because guess what? Because I did this one.
That's it, Riley. You got it. Okay, Sebastian, do one for me so I can see that you did it.
Our
Pick one.
experiment was will the
Okay,
pumpkin
that's good.
sing or flow and sing? I did this in kindergarten. I still remember. How many seeds will the pumpkin have? Oh boy.
I'm watching Sebastian do his last one.
Done.
Yes, you're good. Okay. Take all the pieces off, and I'm going to give you blank strips to make your own with the candy. So keep your candy separate from other people's, because then you can eat it. Brianna, here's your blank strip. Brian. I'm so hungry. Riley.
Are we gonna get lunch?
Yes, Riley. you will.
Okay.
Okay, good. So,
I got a
wonderful.
drink. And then we could have.
You can color it orange now.
Will
Yes,
you
perfect.
candy corn?
Let me find my candy corn. That would be nice. Here we go.
All the candy corn. So we just switch these? Yes.
Yep, we're switching. Good job, guys. Very good. Wonderful.
No, there's no notes.
No, I didn't do a nose.
You can cut it in it.
No.
Look at mine.
2, 4,
That's
6,
how good
8.
I
I'm
do
giving
it.
all of you 8
You're
pumpkins.
doing all that? You think it's all those down line?
6,
Yeah.
8. There you go, Sebastian.
Oh my god.
I'm coming, Brian.
Can we color?
2, 4. After you're done patterning, yes, I want to see you come up with some patterns. And I have to give you candy for it anyway.
Pumpkin.
2,
Eight candy
4,
corns.
6.
Which one do
You have to give you candy corns to make
Pumpkin,
your pattern.
pumpkin. The other candy corns. Pumpkin.
Okay, good. So you all did your prediction sheets.
I'm putting my.
And now you're just coloring orange. Perfect.
Oh, look at
I'm just giving you a handful of these.
I freaking
Oh yeah, that one's smushed down.
I got a little mini pumpkin. There's candy corn right there.
I see it. Don't worry if they're a
I'm
little
coloring
broken. Some of them are.
around the eyes. No, but my little baby pumpkin.
Right.
I just printed them out orange.
Brian got the good pieces. Okay, make some patterns. Because I'm going to come around and see that you can do it, and then you can eat them. Good job, girls over here. Wonderful.
What if we run out of pumpkins and candy corn?
It's all right.
Because I just ran out.
2 candy corn, 2 candy corn. Very good, Brianna.
Yay, I can eat mine.
Make another one. Make at least 2 patterns for me. 3, 2, 3, 2. Okay?
Now what I'm going to
2. Okay.
do. Is that good?
You can eat them.
Yay! Wait, I didn't make 2.
I'll give you a baggie if you want to take them with you. Wonderful, Mackenzie.
I did not
Wonderful.
make 2. 1. I did on those 9.
You did wonderful.
Yeah,
I like Big Lifter. I think that's kind of a good idea.
I
It's
did
kind of
almost
handy.
crispy. No white.
No white on that? It's all yellow and orange?
That's good.
Maybe that's a lucky one then.
One of my Brian just got one that had all orange.
How about we get a baggie and you guys can take them with you because you'll be loaded up on sugar. And then you can eat them the rest of the day. So you can eat a couple now. Okay,
Yeah,
you
I
can eat
don't
them
try
now.
pumpkin
A
though.
couple now. I will give you a blank one to make your own pattern with the candy.
Yeah, it's good. I did.
Okay, Alana, so shake the pieces off and pick another
No, we
part.
can do whatever we want.
And complete another one.
What the?
Okay, we know what we're doing over here?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Me and Brian don't know what we do. That and that.
Wonderful. Good girl. Okay, shake the pieces off and pick another part.
Can we do the back?
Yes, sure. What's that?
Can we do the back?
No, I'll give you a blank card, okay? Guys, don't keep telling me you're done. Just pick a different one. You gotta at least do 4. 4 or 5 of them. Because there's 8 of them there.
Do 4.
There's 8 of them there. Okay, Sebastian,
Wait,
you
I
have a
already
question?
did
Did
this
you look like you're lost? Okay, so you did triangleize because you think the pumpkin's going to weigh less than 10 pounds.
Take this one.
So number 2, if it's going to float, you're going to do brown. If it's going to sink,
Pumpkin, candy corn, candy corn, candy corn,
not a whole lot. It's a good size.
I don't think I just think it's 10 pounds.
Okay.
Done
Okay,
already.
so then if you want to
I
just
think
do,
it's 9.
let's do triangleize
I
then.
think it's 9. No,
10
I already
pounds or
did
less,
that.
then do
I just did
triangleize.
that.
Because you're not saying it's more than 10. So I would do triangleize.
Here, that was this one. Hang on.
Good job, guys.
And the candy corn.
2, pumpkin, 2. Careful, we're going to fall, Mackenzie.
Done. I think it's 10. That's my 4th one. I think it's 9 or 10. I think this. No, I need candy corn. I'm making a Dracula pumpkin.
Where am I putting your pumpkins?
Are you going
2,
to these
4, 6, 8,
She gets a first.
2, 3.
Done. I'm done. I'm done. Candy
All right, Brianna. Hold on a
She
second.
gets
Wait for everyone. You're a quick little one there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm done.
Well, give them a chance to do the patterning over here, and then we'll all go back to the carpet. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8.
done.
Okay, good. 2, 4, 6, 8. I'm just going to give you a handful of candy corn. Yeah, since you got it last, I'll give you it first. How's that?
Can I go after Lana?
Yeah, I'll go the opposite
I'll go
way.
first. I never
I
go
don't throw you on the
first.
floor.
Wait, we go over first. Anything.
You don't. You just are always in the middle then, I guess.
I'm done. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, there's tiny one.
Okay,
No.
try and make some patterns. I want to do a pattern, ladies.
I've seen candy corn.
Okay, Brianna, is your name on there?
No.
Okay, put it on there so we know who's who.
Candy candy corn. I made it look like a hatchet cake. I make it dragon. Okay,
Yep, that's
the
it.
best I can do.
Okay, do another one. I want to at least see 3 different patterns you come up with.
Okay. Well, she did the same pattern as the other one.
Oh yeah, she did. Oh, and I like how she has one standing up and one laying down. That's kind of ingenious.
I did this. Pumpkin, candy corn, pumpkin.
I see that. Good job. Alana's got that going on
These
too.
look broke.
That's all right. Sometimes they.
Okay. I don't know I'm right.
Brianna behind you. Ava behind you. Alana behind you.
Copy me.
Kendall and Mackenzie
I put
behind
my name
you.
up there. Oh,
Okay, so we have to do some of our experiments to find out if our predictions were correct. So the first one is how much will the pumpkin weigh, right? So I have my handy dandy scale, which is right here.
I'm
So
going
put
with
that
10
right here in the
pounds.
middle. You're gonna go. So we're gonna weigh the pumpkin. All right. Well, we're gonna first try and weigh the pumpkin, which I think we tried before. And we saw that it's way too light, so it's not even gonna register on the scale at all. So
Maybe push it
it is
down.
less than 10, Brianna. That's a good prediction right there. Kendall, step on the scale real quick.
Oh God, I got that wrong.
Hold on, step on the scale.
Kendall was the only one who got it right.
Okay, 50.
In your group,
And then Kendall, step off.
Kendall got it right.
Hold on, we're gonna look at our pictures in just a second. If I can clear this out. Okay, Kendall, step on. 51.4. Okay,
It's
all right.
always
So 1 pound, 4 ounces. So the pumpkin weighed 1 pound, 4 ounces.
Oh God, you're right, Kendall.
1 pound. 4. Okay. So all of those that said they thought the pumpkin would weigh less than 10 pounds, hold up your picture. Because just like
You did
Sebastian has, if you thought so, you did triangle ice. So we have 3 that did triangle ice. Good job, guys. All right, put your papers back down behind you. Sit on your bottom, scooch back a little
I
bit.
knew it might be less than
This is a small pumpkin. Some of the pumpkins weigh lots of pounds, like almost 20 pounds, if not more. So the next prediction, we had to see if it was going to sink or float. Hold on. So I have a bucket of water.
That's kind of small.
We'll see. We're going to put it in.
It floats. Yes! Yes!
The pumpkin floats. All right, so go back and look at the picture. Brian, leave it there. Alana, scooch back. So if you thought the pumpkin was going to float, then you have a brown stem and you're holding it up. Kendall, you thought it would sink. You have a green stem. Good try, though. You got the first one right. You have a green stem. So again, we have 3 that got it right, just like the first time we had 3. All right, now
I'm gonna fail at this. Wait, that's 4. That's 4.
it's all about learning.
That's 2.
Right,
No,
that was
wait.
3 of you. Now the next one is how many seeds we think we're going to have, right? Leave your papers here. Leave your papers here. We're going to go stand around the table. So we have to get in here, right, to try and find out how many seeds it has. So I'm kind of scared. I might.
Kill yourself.
I'm going to just do like this, like carving a pumpkin, right?
No.
Who carves pumpkins for Halloween?
Everyone. I did it last year.
You did
He
it
thought
last
you
year?
just met one.
Robbie just spray painted his pumpkin into Frankenstein.
My mom did that, except she just painted it blue. I saw on Facebook.
You saw it? Yeah, it was pretty cool, right?
I saw on Facebook.
Yeah.
My
Mommy
just
showed
did.
you. What'd Mommy do, Ava?
My mom, she just spray painted it blue. Hers.
She did?
But I painted mine as a kitty cat and a pumpkin.
Ooh, did it come out good?
Yes.
Wonderful. I think I'm going to do that from now on. Just spray paint it. Okay. Hold on. Brianna, I have a knife in my hand. Please don't be
Yep.
poking
More
at me.
than 20.
All right. So what we're going to do,
Yay.
well, let's just count what's on the top here. Jeez Louise, we have a lot of, this one is loaded down.
Yeah, but it's more than 20.
Oh, yeah. Look, right in here, it's even, probably, it's more than 20.
Ew. Ew.
It's just the, well,
Just pumpkin.
hold on, guys. I want to count.
Oh, we're
Let's
not
count.
eating those. It smells really good,
Let's just see. We don't have to count them all, but do we have more than 20 right here?
Yeah.
1, 2, 1, 2. Let's put them in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19.
20.
And look how many are still in here.
Oh, yeah. Holy cow.
There's a lot in there. I bet you there's at least 100, if not more in here. There's a lot still left in there. I'll mix in.
Miss Christie,
You guys want to fill in here?
Miss Christie, I want to do it.
Okay, hold on. Let me try.
I got all of them right.
You did?
Because I picked the
Here.
triangle eyes,
Hold on.
the brown stem, and the
Okay, well, we're going to talk about that when we get there. Hold on. And I'm trying to get this up because you guys can take a handful out and put it in the middle of the table.
Oh, no.
Because this is loaded with seeds. Let me tell you.
I never did.
If you don't want to, you don't have to.
Oh my gosh. I want to. There is
Okay.
so many seeds.
Brianna asked first. Go ahead,
No,
Brian.
what?
Brian, you're next.
I
Well, don't take all of them. Don't take all of them. Put them in the middle.
Can I do it? I'm not doing it.
Oh, Brian.
Can I do it?
Yeah, hold on.
I gotta put my sleeve.
Brian, don't take all of them. Leave some for someone else.
I just said I did it yesterday. I don't want to. I want my hands clean, baby.
Wow. We'll get a wipe. It's all right. Hold on. Mackenzie.
Oh, your hands all slimy. Oh.
You have to.
Miss Lisa, their hands all slimy. They're on the side. Hello.
Are you trying to-
Ava? Yes.
Here.
No, it's mine. Look
Here.
at my hands, Joe.
Brianna, you did it. Let Ava do it.
Oh my God, that's good.
Here you go. Ew. Ew. Okay, so we have way more than 20, right, guys?
Yeah, that's.
And there's so many more left in here that we can't even get out. So, all right, we're gonna get you a wipe. Hold on one second. Pictures real quick and see who had the most accurate predictions. Don't say anything yet because we're gonna show in just a second. So if we saw that the correct one here is that it weighed less than 10 pounds. So if you had triangle eyes, stand up.
No, you didn't, Brian. I did.
Okay.
Yes, you did. Oh, sit down.
If you have triangle eyes, stand up with your paper and show me too. So obviously we need proof. Okay, good. Wonderful. Now keep standing. Keep standing. Now we saw that the pumpkin floated. If you predicted that it was going to float and you have a brown stem, stand up. If you do not, sit down.
Standing.
Okay, I know, that's what we're going to see. No one back there has a brown stem.
Oh,
You don't have a brown stem, Ava. Okay. Now we saw with the seeds, it has like 300 quadrillion million in them. So if you thought that the pumpkin had more than 20 seeds and you had a teeth mouth, stand up.
Everyone had it. Besides Sebastian and Alana.
Okay, Alana, did you?
Yeah, Alana.
I was going to say you got none right. Okay. So who has been standing the entire time?
Riley.
Riley got all the predictions right. Let me see, Riley.
Me too.
That just went. You do not. You don't have triangle eyes, goofball. It had to have triangle eyes, it had to have a brown stem, and it had to have a mouth with teeth.
for the brown stem.
Well, you got it on. Thank you, Kendall. So Riley got all of them right. Everyone clap for Riley. Riley, take a bow. Take a bow. Take a curtsy. Take a something. All right, good job. Okay, sit down.
I came in second.
Who else got two? Who got two? Who got two right? Who got one right?
I know last
All right.
place.
That's all right. At least you didn't get zero
I
right.
know last place. No,
Okay, sit down.
What do I get? That's the winners. No, you're not.
We'll see.
Whoever has three.
Okay, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. If you want to try roasted pumpkin seeds, I will make you eat them raw. If you would like to try them, I will come around, and that's how we'll end our lesson. And you guys have your candy.
Marshmallows.
You have candy pumpkins and candy corn that you also can take later. Everyone, give yourselves a round of applause first. Good job. Thank you for participating. I'm going to come around with you want any pumpkin seeds? You can try them. They're roasted and salted. Ooh, that's a lot. You don't have to eat them all. No?
I want a lot. I want a lot.
You want a lot?
I want a
Okay.
lot. I want a lot.
Okay, we'll try them first. Make sure you like them.
I
Ava, no?
want a couple.
Okay.
I have to try and eat this. I want a lot.
We'll try with that, Brianna.
You
You want to try some?
I've never tried some.
Well, I
I've
don't know.
never
There you go.
tried these.
I couldn't get just one.
I never
You never tried them?
No. You shove them in my mouth.
Oh, yeah.